Are you thinking about getting a commercial driver's license in the sunny state of Florida? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're discussing what you need to get that CDL and hit the road. So, first things first. To even think about applying for a CDL in Florida, you got to be at least 18 years old. But if you're looking to cross state lines, you're going to need to be 21. That's just the law around here. Next up, make sure you have a valid Florida driver's license. It's a pretty basic step, but you wouldn't believe how many folks forget about it. And remember, you've got to be a resident of Florida to score a CDL here. Now, here's a crucial part: passing the medical exam. Yep, you need to be physically fit to handle those big rigs. It's all about safety on the road. You'll need to get a medical examiner's certificate from a licensed medical professional. So if you've been putting off that checkup, now's the time to get it done. All right, let's talk tests. You'll have to pass both a written knowledge test and a skills test. The written test covers stuff like road safety and driving laws, while the skills test makes sure you can actually handle a commercial vehicle. Kind of important, right? Don't forget about endorsements. Depending on what kind of commercial vehicle you want to drive, like a school bus, tanker, or hazmat truck, you'll need special endorsements added to your license. These require additional testing, but they can open up more job opportunities and increase your earning potential. Here's where many hit a snag. Those tests are no joke, folks. They cover a ton of info, and it can feel a bit overwhelming. But hey, that's where we come in. Moving Authority is here to help guide you through this whole process. We've got the expertise to make things a lot less stressful. Visit movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Once you have all that ready, head over to your local Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles office to apply. Remember, there's a fee involved, but think of it as an investment in your future career. You'll also need to show proof of identity, like your Social Security card and some residency documents. So don't forget those. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot, right? Well, it kind of is, but it's what you need to get out there and start your career on the open road. And think about the perks: exploring new places, meeting different people, and, of course, the joy of driving. That's it for today, folks. If you've got questions or just want to share your journey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Drive safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.